Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to make diyas with rice flour using food colors. If interested, you can join freehand painting and other courses. In a container, take 3 spoons of rice flour and 1 spoon of maida. Add 2 spoons of oil. I am taking mustard oil. Now mix them well. I am taking blue food color. Add water in this color. Now mix the flour. Add little water at regular intervals when needed till the dough is ready. Make a stiff dough. Keep this aside. Now in same method, prepare another dough of green color. Prepare red and brown dough in same way. Make blue round and give a diya shape. I am taking green dough and spreading it and then giving impression with the mold. These molds you can get in Amazon. The link is in my description. Prepare leaves of the dough as many as you require. I am placing the leaves in a pattern and then placing the diya on top of this and pressing the diya. So these leaves get stuck to this diya. Now I am making another diya, a round one. Taking red color dough and another design mold. This is simple regular diya. Now I am taking green dough and I am making a duck shape. With brown color dough, I am making the beak and the eyes. have taken cotton and I am making wicks for the diyas. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on travel and art. See you. Bye bye.